how to close a ticket on Zendesk. For that purpose, head over to your Zendesk dashboard and navigate to the settings. And onto the settings, you're going to head over to the admin center. Once the admin center is loaded, you are going to head over to object and rules. And into the object and rules, you're going to head over to automations. Now, once you're here into the automation section, you're going to click on close ticket 4 days after status is set to be solved. So in that case, that a ticket is only allowed to be open for 4 days. This is like the automatic automation that's already been here. So to close the ticket 4 days after status is set to be solved, you'll need to meet all of the following conditions. 1, the ticket status category. This should be greater than 98 and meet any of the following conditions, right? So for that purpose, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select preview the conditions that are matched for the conditions above. And I'm going to select a ticket status category and put that into 96, or, the hours. Let's just say it's been 1 hour actually. Let me just set that in. And then any of the selected conditions to see, and all you have to do is simply save. The conditions that you want to see in, as of now, I don't have a ticket available, but you can choose a ticket from right here and just simply click on close the tickets. You'll have to perform these action ticket status category, select that from all of your tickets that are available and click on close. And then you're just going to click on save. And this is one way for you to close a ticket that has already been open. And then it's just going to go up into the inactive tickets. Another way to close a ticket is by creating triggers. This is one way to do it, using the automations. The other way is to create triggers. Now, in case of triggers, what you're going to do is you're going to add in another trigger by clicking on add a trigger. And right here, you're going to enter the trigger name close a ticket. And you're going to select the category, add in a category. Category name is going to be close. And the conditions you need to meet to set up the condition is, let's just say a ticket is assigned. Okay, let's just say it's assigned and it is not changed to requester. Once this, you simply add this condition. This is the one condition I added. Then the action that happens if this condition is met, then the action that happens is that you can simply change the ticket status to closed, to solved. And then once you've automatically created the ticket to solved option, it's just automatically going to close that specific ticket because that specific condition has already been met. And then with that being said, you're just simply going to click on create. And hence you've created a trigger for closed ticket. And you can just simply use that trigger once all of the conditions have been met. So these are the 2 ways you can close a ticket on Zendesk.